Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. For most English learners, the verb get can be quite confusing. On the other hand, good English speakers, they always want to use this verb in almost every conversation. So why does it happen? It happens because the verb get has different meanings and uses. And the best way to learn different meanings of this verb is to practice. I already have made a video on phrasal verbs with get. I will mention the link in description box, you can watch it. But I couldn't talk about all the phrasal verbs with get in that video because there are many, more than 100. So it was not possible for me to cover all of them. So that's why I just talked about some common phrasal verbs with get. Now in this video, I will not tell you anything about phrasal verbs. Rather, I will be explaining various uses of this verb so that you get familiar with it and you have a general understanding of this verb. So let's not waste any more time and get into it. Let's start with the first verb. First is obtain. So obtain can be replaced by get. I shifted to Delhi last month because I got a job there. This means I obtained a job there. That's why I shifted there last week or last month. She got 98% in final exams. She obtained 98% in final exams. You can get the notifications of my latest videos. You can easily obtain the notifications of my latest videos by simply subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon. So what are you waiting for? Please do it. Done? Okay, so let's move ahead. Okay, next verb is take. Take can also be replaced by the verb get. You can get as much as you want. You can take as much as you want. I get the train at 7 p.m. What time do you take the train? I take it or I get it at 7 p.m. So for transportation, again, we use get. I'll get a taxi. Should I drop you somewhere? No, don't worry. I'll get a taxi. So this way, you can use get. Next verb is receive. Did you get the papers I sent last night? Did you receive the papers that I sent last night? I got a certificate for participating in the competition. I received a certificate. I got the certificate. She got a beautiful dress on her birthday. She received a beautiful dress on her birthday. What did you get? What did you receive on your birthday? I got a beautiful dress. I'm going to get a promotion soon. There's a good news. I'm going to get a promotion soon. I'm going to receive a promotion soon. Okay, so this way, receive can be replaced by get. Next verb is buy. So buy can also be replaced by get. Can you get some milk from the market? Can you buy some milk from the market? What did you get from the market? What did you buy from the market? Where did you get it from? It's an amazing purse. Where did you get it from? Where did you buy it from? I bought it from the market. I got it from the market. Okay, so this way you can use get. Next is understand. Understand can also be replaced by the verb get. How? Let's see. I couldn't get it. What you just explained, I couldn't get it. I couldn't understand it. Could you please explain it again? She didn't get the joke. She didn't understand the joke. I have got it. I have understood it. Okay, so I have got it. Now next is arrive. So arrive can be replaced by get. Last night I got home very late. I arrived home really late. When will you get here tomorrow? What time will you arrive here tomorrow? When will you get here tomorrow? How did you get here? How did you arrive here? You didn't have the address. How did you get here? Or how did you manage to get here? Okay, so this way, get can be used in place of arrive. So here you must have noticed one thing, that get is a normal verb. However, it has different meanings and it can be used in different sentences. but it is a verb, an irregular verb. First form is get, second is got, and third form is got. In American English, it is gotten, sometimes it is gotten, and in British, it is got. So I would suggest you that it's better to stick with got. Okay, so get, got, got. So it's an irregular verb. You can use it in any type of sentence like positive, negative, interrogative. You can use it with question words like I have used it here, when, how. You can make a question. So I hope by now you have this understanding how to use a verb in different tenses and sentences and types of sentences. Okay, so I think it shouldn't be a problem. Right now I'm just telling you the meaning and different uses of this verb. Okay, so this way you can use this verb. Now let's move ahead. Next verb is bring. Could you get me a book? Could you bring me a book? Or could you get a book for me? Could you bring a book for me? This is the same thing. Could you bring a book for me, or could you bring me a book? Okay, same meaning. Alright, so could you get me a book? So this way bring can be replaced by get. Shall I get you something to drink? You want something? Shall I get you something to drink, something to eat? Get her a glass of water. She is so thirsty. Get her a glass of water. Okay, so this way you can use get. Now next is earn. How much do you get every month? What's your salary? How much do you get every month? How much do you earn every month? I got a bonus last month. I earned a bonus last month. I got a bonus last month. Now get can be used in place of catch or affected by an infection. Okay, for example, she will get cold or she will get flu. There is so much infection in the air. Don't send her out. She is quite young, so please don't send her out, otherwise she will get cold or she will get flu. She'll get infected. Okay, so this way. He got an upper respiratory infection. He got an upper respiratory infection. The police caught him at the airport. The police caught the thief at the airport. So for catch or affected by an infection, in place of this we can use get. Next is when we use get with an adjective. So that means to become or to describe a change of state or situation. Okay, how? First is she is getting better. So this means that she is not well right now, but she is getting better. So the process of getting better is going on, and after some time she will be better. So it's a process going on. There is a change of state or situation. Okay, right now she is not well, but yes, she is getting better. So after some time she'll be fine. I'm getting ready. Right now I'm not ready, but I'm in a process. Okay, so there is again, it is describing a change of a situation or a state. Right now I'm not ready, but after some time I will be ready because I am getting ready. I'm in a process to get ready. I'm getting ready. Wait for some time. I'm getting ready. You will get wet. Okay, so that means you will become wet because it's raining heavily. So if you go out without an umbrella, so you will definitely get wet. You will become wet. So right now you're not, but yes, if you go out, then you will get wet. It will get dark, or it's getting dark. So it will get dark because we are going towards evening. It's already 6 o'clock. So after some time it will become dark. It will get dark. And when you say it's getting dark, so again it shows or describe a change of state or situation. Right now it's not dark, but it is getting dark. So the process is going on. It's getting dark. So after some time it will be dark. So this way, whenever we use get with an adjective, that means to become, or it shows a change of state or a situation. Next, we use get in passive form. I hope you know active and passive sentences. I already have made a video on that. I will mention the link in description box. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. Okay, so active and passive. Now get is used in passive form also when we talk about a negative situation or an unfortunate situation or something that we don't want. Okay, so you will understand it. Let's look at the first sentence. Her necklace got stolen last night. Okay, so this is an unpleasant incident. Okay, you don't want this, or this is an unfortunate situation. Okay, now if you look at the active form of the sentence, then it is going to be someone stole her necklace last night. Someone stole her necklace last night. So necklace is the object. Okay, now when we change it into passive, so object becomes the subject. You cannot make a passive sentence without an object. Okay, because object is very important. We are talking about the object. So her necklace was stolen last night. So this is the passive form of the sentence. Her necklace was stolen last night. Simple past. Okay, now here when we are talking about a negative situation, an unfortunate situation in passive, then we can replace to be verb with get. So here the to be verb is was. Okay, the necklace was stolen last night, simple past, so was will come here. Okay, so was can be replaced by get, and here I have written got because we are replacing was. Okay, so second form of get is got. Here we are talking about past, that's why second form of the verb. Okay, so her necklace got stolen last night. So this way in passive you can replace to be verb with get. Next is our flight got delayed. Why you guys are late? Because our flight got delayed by 2 hours. Got delayed. Okay, you can also write our flight was delayed by 2 hours. So that is also correct. So here again it is a negative situation because you couldn't make it on time. Okay, so that's why it is a negative situation. So you can replace was with get, to be verb with get. Okay, so our flight got delayed. Next is the entire village got damaged because of the earthquake. Again here we have used got. The entire village was damaged because of the earthquake. So got damaged because of the earthquake. Okay, it's not that we only use get in passive sentences or passive forms while talking about negative situation or unfortunate situation. Generally we use it in negative situation, but sometimes it can be used with positive situation. A very common example is we got married. We got married in 2010. We got married. Okay, but generally if you want to sound natural, then it's better that you use get in passive form while framing unfortunate situation or by describing negative situation. Okay, now if there is a sentence that this palace was built in 1824, okay, so you can't frame it like this palace got built in 1824. This doesn't sound natural. So it's always better to use get in passive form while talking about negative situation or unfortunate situation or anything that you don't want. Okay, so that's the safest option. Now next is get plus something plus past participle. Past participle means third form of the verb. Okay, now when do we use this combination, get then something and then past participle? When we cannot do something by ourselves or we don't want to do something. Okay, when there is this kind of a situation, then we use this combination get something and past participle. Okay, for example, I'll get my car repaired on Sunday. Should we go somewhere on Sunday? No, I'm a bit tied up because I'll get my car repaired on Sunday. So I will get then something, my car, then repair, third form of the verb, repaired on Sunday. So that means I can't do it by myself, or I don't want to do it, so I have to go somewhere, go to the mechanic and he will do it. So I have to get it done by someone. Okay, so this way we use this combination. She got her house cleaned last week. She didn't do it by herself, rather she got it done last week. She got it done by someone else. Okay, so this is what it means. I got my pedicure done from there. Do you know any good salon? Yeah, that one is great because I got my pedicure done from there. So I didn't do it. I didn't want to do it. I got it done by someone else. So when you yourself cannot do anything, or you are not capable of doing anything on your own, then you can use this combination. And the last one is have got. You must have heard people using have got or has got a lot. We use it when we talk about the possession. Okay, for example, she's got 2 children. So here she's is not she is. Yes, she's is a contraction of she is, but it is the contraction of she has also. Okay, I have made a video on contractions. I will mention the link. Okay, so here it is she has. With he, she, it, singular third person, we use has, otherwise we use have. Okay, so she's got 2 children. So possession, the possession. I've got 2 children. I've got an appointment at 2 p.m. Could you meet him? I've got an appointment at 2 p.m. Have you got a car? She's got a beautiful smile. And he has got many friends. So whenever you're talking about the possession, someone has got something, then we use have got. Now the question is whether to use these verbs or get as an alternative. So the answer is that most of the English speakers or native speakers, they tend to prefer using get whenever it is possible, especially while speaking, because it sounds more natural. So you also start using it, get used to it, and when it comes to writing, I would say stick to your traditional verbs, but otherwise when it comes to speaking, you can use get wherever you can. So that's all for today. Now keep practicing. Please revise all of this, and if you have any doubts, you can always mention in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and press the bell icon to get future notifications. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day. Thank you for watching my videos. If you find them helpful, please like and share with your friends. Feel free to leave comments. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive a notification for the new videos. Thank you. Take care and have a great day.